water lived. But anyways, today is the first video of my series of preparing for 2024. All I'm basically doing is decluttering in this video. I'm also doing some packing because I'm moving. This is like me decluttering my nail room, and also I changed the top of my nail desk. You guys will see that and how I did it. I will probably redo this and go more in depth on how I did it for a different video once I have to redo it, so like 2-3 months from now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos for preparing from 2024, leave your recommendations down below, because I know there's some stuff we need to do, like decluttering, organizing our lives, creating routines, healthy habits, creating systems, all of that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys like this type of content, please subscribe down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the only part where I'm going to be voice overing this video because I decided not to talk. I don't know why. But all I'm doing is cleaning this disaster of a desk up because I am replacing the tabletop with a Hello Kitty tabletop. Hello. But yeah, I'm just cleaning everything up because everything's everywhere for me doing press-ons. It's chaotic, it's crazy, it's a mess. Also, I won't be giving a tutorial on how I did the desktop because clearly I need more practice. Maybe next time I will do one. But yeah, you know, it's cute still, so I don't really care.
Take a hold when you're not here, ain't a home when you're not here, find the home when you're not here. I'm saying, how can you when I'm with you? How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you.
So this is how my desk turned out. It's super cute. It's Hello Kitty. There's lots of air bubbles, but I mean, I'll have to replace it sooner or later, so that's okay. I also messed up a little bit. I cut like one of my eyelash boxes up and kind of covered it up. So yeah, she's sitting there. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it so much. So we have like a little mini intermission. I have to package an order and ship her out. Well, 2 orders. This mess to clean up. I started a donation box, so that's like everything I'm doing. The reason why I'm packing all my Christmas stuff inside of a box is because I might be moving literally in December, so yay me! I love that. I'm just kidding, but I just want to decorate. I got this the other day too. I just want to decorate, but we will hold off. So those boxes that I just put there are already packed, that I packed to move. I'm out of breath. But yeah, I have to clean back here, but I have a couple things to go through. So I just hauled in this big load of my son's old clothes. I got more clothes right here. I'm gonna put a lot of the clothes in this bag just in case, because I do need the newborn and the 0 to 3 month clothes out. I forgot to mention there's also maternity clothes in here. Some of them I will be just giving away.
Can I testify for you? I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. Hide your bodies.
This bucket, I'm gonna squish this down and struggle. This bin is so dirty because it was outside. So now we are... What's so funny? Hey, what's so funny? Now we're cleaning up over here, and I'm also gonna pack some things because we need to, don't mind him, his sippy cup. It was ice in his sippy cup. And then he drinks it and spits it all over himself. This is garbage, sir. Sorry, babes. So we got a little helper.
If you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Pack up most of what's in this stand right here. This is the stand you guys been standing on. It's never been here before, but it's here now, and that's where it's gonna stay. It used to be where all those boxes were, but I mean, like I said, we're moving. I really don't have any rhyme or reason for how this is going. All I know is I need certain things out of the Christmas DIYs. I don't want them packed in boxes until I know for sure if we're moving. Like, I feel like we are for sure moving, but nothing's locked down yet. Don't touch this! Baby!
I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. Hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
I'm starting to break a sweat because this kid keeps climbing up on my nail desk and I have to keep taking him down literally every second after I clean something. But I need to get this done tonight. No excuses.
Start giving back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on you. Day one, we had to, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smashing grabs, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home.
He is literally so much help. Don't mind the fact that I didn't button up the bottom of his shirt. That he just took that off my wall. Like, it was literally right there. Ugh, I'm exhausted. I need to clean up that dust pile. That's all my donation right there. That needs to be taken out to the garbage. That book bag, I have no clue where to put it. Like, it's not even mine. Now I am going to take out the garbage. I have all of that recycling garbage, plus that little dispenser thing for juice. I bought it off of Marketplace and only half of it worked. The top half worked, the bottom half was broken, so it's just garbage.
What are you finding? What's that? He's unpacking your bag for you.
Oh, great. Okay, so I got some mail in and I know exactly what it is, and I need to do a little restock. First of all, I just got these like mini little floral files for my press-on nail orders, some buffers because I needed more of those. I also really desperately needed these. I was down to my last 2, so that's good that those came in. Perfect timing. Is it just me, or like, do you guys run out of like, well, small business owners run out of everything all at once? It's like insane. I also got a bunch of lashes for my lucky scoop. I'm also gonna put together a little bit of bundles. This is where I keep all of my extra supplies that I have going on, and some more glue. My glue is good once again for a little bit. The main thing was the files. I desperately needed more little mini files. So that is how it all looks, all nice and restocked and everything. So this is all I'm gonna do tonight because he played me out. He was a job and a half on his own. But yeah, everything's cleaned. I'm gonna move this chair back. Yeah, everything's cleaned. I still need to mop, but you know what? That's a different day's job. But everything looks so much better and cleaner. I missed it looking like this. I need to donate everything in there. For this video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you did. And yeah, I'll see you next video.